ગુડ મોર્નિંગ. લાસ્ટ સેશનની અંદર આપણે જીપી એનો ટાઈપ 8 કમ્પ્લીટ કરેલો હતો. નાઉ ટાઈપ 9 સમ ઓફ ઇન્ફાઇનાઇટ નંબર, એટલે કે જ્યારે ઇન્ફાઇનાઇટ એટલે કે અનંત સુધી નંબર આપેલા હોય ત્યારે એનો સમ કઈ રીતે કરી શકીએ જીપીમાં. તો એના માટેનું ઇક્વેશન છે Sn ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ a ડિવાઇડેડ બાય 1 માઇનસ r. a ડિવાઇડેડ બાય 1 માઇનસ r. ઓકે, ફર્સ્ટ એક્ઝામ્પલ 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 16 up to infinite. Okay, here a is equal to 1 by 2, r is equal to 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 2, that is 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. Sn is equal to 1a divided by 1 by r. What is a? 1 by 2. What? 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 divided by, take 2 as a LCM, 2 minus 1 divided by 2 by, so 1 by 2 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 2. Now 1 by 2, 2 divided by 2 minus 1, 2 cancel, so 1 by 1, that is 1. Next, example number 2. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 27 up to infinite. Two progression are given. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 27. Here a is equal to 1 by 2, r is equal to 1 by 4 by 1 by 2, that is 2 by 4, r is equal to 1 by 2. Here a is equal to 1 by 3, r is equal to 1 by 9 divided by 1 by 3, 3 by 9, 1 by 3. Okay, a is equal to 1 by 2, r is equal to 1 by 2, here a is equal to 1 by 3, r is equal to 1 by 3. What is Sn? Sn is equal to a divided by 1 minus r. So a 1 by 2 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 plus, sorry, minus 1 by 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3. Okay, 1 by 2, 2 LCM, 2 minus 1, that is 1, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 3, 3 multiplied by 1, that is 3, minus 1, that is 2 by 3. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 cancel, 1 minus 1 by 3 multiplied by 3 by 2, 3 cancel, 1 minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. So here our type 9 is completed. Now next type 10, last of this part, GP. First example of practical example, a man borrow 5115 from his friend and repay in 10 monthly installment. Each monthly installment is double than previous. Find first and last installment. ટોટલ એને કેટલા રીપે કરવાના છે? 5115. ટોટલ that is 5115. Okay. How many installment are there? There are 10 installment. What is condition for installment? Each installment is double than previous installment. So let's assume that first installment is A. So next installment is 2A. Third installment is 4A. Okay. We have to find out first and last installment. Okay. So Sn is equal to a r raised to n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. What is r? R is equal to 2a divided by a, that is 2. Sn have to give, Sn we already given 5115. A we have to find out what is R. R is 2 raised to n minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. 5115. A, this is 10 because 10 installment are there. So 2 raised to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 1024 minus 1 divided by 1. So 5115 is equal to a 1023. 5115 divided by 1023 is equal to a 5115 divided by 1023. 5115 divided by 5115 divided by 1023, that is 5. So A is equal to 5. First installment is 5. Now we have to find out last installment, that is Tn, T5. What is Tn? A, R raised to n minus 1, T5, A is equal to 5, R is equal to 2 raised to 5 minus 1, 5, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 4, 2 multiplied by 2, 3, 4, that is 16, 16 multiplied by 5, that is 80. First installment is 5, last installment is 80. This is your answer. Next, example number 2 of GP. Practical example. The cycle passes from 3 stages before reach to the customer. So these are the customer. From customer he passes from 3 stages, 1, 2, 3. કસ્ટમર ને ક્યારે મળશે? 4th માં સ્ટેજ ઉપર. From manufacturer, at least at each stage the costing will be increased by 10%. So let's assume that manufacture costing is A, then it will be increased by 10%. So say for example manufacturing cost is 100. Okay. Now next step, second step માં જેની પાસે આવશે એમાં 10% increase થઈને આવશે. તો 100 ના 10%, 10, 100 plus 10%, that is 110. Now next step માં જશે એટલે એમાં 10% increase થશે. 110 ના 10%, that is 110 ના 10%, that is 11, 11 plus 110, that is 121. 121 ના 10% increase થશે. 12.1 plus 121, that is 133.1. આ રીતે આવશે. Okay. So what is R? Second by first, 1.1. We have to find out how much amount customer will have to pay if manufacture cost is 4,000. So A is given 4,000. What is stage of customer? That is 4. So we have to find out T4. N is equal to given 4. R is equal to we already find, that is 1.1. Tn is equal to A R raised to n minus 1. T4 is equal to 4,000. R is equal to 1.1 raised to 4 minus 1. So 4,000, 1.1 raised to 3, 1.1 multiplied by, that is 1.331 multiplied by 4,000, that is 5324. This is the cost of customer. Here our part 2, that is geometric progression, is completed. In next session we will start our next part, that is harmonic progression. Thank you.